Good morning everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Today is day 5 in Tanzania and we have a long drive today to Serengeti National Park, so it'll take us about 5 hours from here, and then we'll do some game drive in the park and head to our stay for the night. So I'll show you everything that we do today, so stay tuned.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Serengeti, hakuna matata. Karibu Serengeti, hakuna matata. Karibu Ngorongoro, hakuna matata. Karibu House of Nature, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Serengeti, hakuna matata. Note mwakaribishwa, hakuna matata. Karibu Serengeti, hakuna matata. Karibu na Manyara, hakuna matata.
We're crossing Ngorongoro Conservation Area. We'll be here back on the last day. We're just crossing it right now. The Ngorongoro Conservation Area, and this is a viewpoint that we have stopped at. So this is a Maasai village, Maasai Boma. One of the viewpoints of the crater. So you can see the lake there. We'll come here in the last day, but just taking some shots here. So we have spotted giraffes. We're still in the Ngorongoro Conservation Area. So we also spotted zebras, wildebeests. Oh, they look majestic just standing there, the giraffes. Spotted giraffes again behind those bushes.
The one right here.
Oh yeah, there's one right here behind this bush. Young one.
It's going back.
Right there, very close. There are so many of them. It's a bunch of all sizes, all ages.
Jambo bana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa Serengeti, hakuna matata. Nyote mwakaribishwa, hakuna matata. Karibu Serengeti, hakuna matata. Karibu Praiti, hakuna matata. Karibu na kwa Sumbi, hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa Serengeti, hakuna matata.
We've stopped at this place on the way. So this is called the Olduvai Gorge. It's said that this is like the origin of human species. You can see the skulls there. Ngorongoro UNESCO Global Geopark. So Ngorongoro is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We will do that in the last day, but these are stop points because we're crossing inside.
And that day we don't want to waste time.
Yeah, and that day we don't want to waste time. We want to focus more on the wildlife there. So yeah, so that's why we're doing all these touristy bits now. Here's a museum. Okay. Just show Olduvai Castle. Oh, nice. Not the traditional castle. This is 5 kilometers. This is not the museum. This is basically the information center. Oh, it shifts depending on the direction of the wind. Okay, Olduvai Gorge, cradle of mankind. So yeah, all the details are here. And the things that you can see around this area. Yes, the culture, people and culture. Quite interesting. It's mostly the Maasai people living here. Okay, so this is like a nice stopover. There are washrooms there which you can use as well. So yeah, I'll see you next wherever we stop. So there are a couple of stops that we're taking because the drive is long. So yeah, I'll show you next where we stop. So yeah, we're finally here. Here it is, the Serengeti National Park. After that long journey, it feels incredible. So this is the start of the park and we have 3 days here, so super excited about it. A little jackal is very close and there are 2 birds of the same kind. Yeah, it's enough.
This is enough.
Oh, nice. Nice. What is the bird called?
Kori bustard.
Okay. This is where we are having lunch today at Serengeti. So let's see what we have. There's soft drinks, water.
Jambo.
Jambo.
Jamangu nani Maasai moja hapo. Maasai. Yaani nilikuwa na
there's a nice view of the savannah that side. It's quite busy, I think, because the next picnic site is quite far. Serengeti being a very large park, largest. So yeah. There's cutlery. The plates. Juices. The juices, did the lodge pack? Juices? Or did you pack? The lodge?
Yes, the lodge.
The lodge packed, okay. Well, they've given yogurts also.
Every lodge have its own
Style.
yes and
Hi, little body. What do you want to eat?
more styling.
There's yogurt. Given apples and stuff as well. It's hot water. So wherever we're staying the night before is that lodge packs the lunch for us. So we stayed at Pamoja yesterday, so they packed the lunch today.
I'm waiting for the reveal.
Yeah.
What we have today
Okay, so what we have today,
is rice mixed with the
Corn
beans
rice.
corn rice, there's chicken, there's spaghetti,
And then
there's a mixed veggies salad. Nice. Nice and simple.
alright.
Check. There's the veggies. They've also packed juices and yogurt. Very nice. Okay, so we'll have the lunch now and then go for our game drive inside Serengeti. So we've spotted a serval cat. He's sitting there. We've spotted a lioness rather. Our first one in Serengeti National Park, and she has a GPS around her neck because it seems she's a matriarch and knows a lot of groups. So just to do research on the groups, the park officials have put a GPS tracker on her. Just look at her relaxing there without a care in the world. She's also showing her belly, so she's like really comfortable there. It's amazing. It's a little cooler right now, so she's just enjoying the wind. Oh, she has a leg up. Just a big kitty. So we have a couple of animals here: topi, wildebeest, and gazelles. We've spotted a warthog. This is a big one. We've been seeing them, but across the other two national parks, but those were small. This one is a big one. We've spotted ostriches. One is a male, and on the other side here is the female. There are hippos there. So we have spotted hippos. There's a whole bunch of them there in the water body. It's raining here now, like the clouds. But as you can see in front, it's sunny. But we have like this whole dark cloud cover on top of us, so it's raining. They're jumping around. They're making sounds, calling out.
There's a baby one there.
There's a baby one.
The baby always they put in the middle
Yeah.
for protection.
So we have spotted an elephant, the big one. Let me go on top. Wait. There it is, a clearer view.
It's a male or a female here, can you?
Yeah, mostly the male prefer to stay solitary.
Oh,
Okay, so this is a male. Okay, so this is a male elephant. It's huge. Beautiful. There's a beautiful hue in the sky as well.
Elephants from grassland are very big.
There's thundering somewhere. Oh, what a perfect pose. It's a closer view. So close. I think it wants to cross. Yeah, I'll cross. Yes, it's crossing. It's crossed. It's gone that side. We stopped at the village as David needed something for the car. We spotted marabou stork in the village. No one can stay inside the park. Those are the rangers and their families who live there. We've spotted impalas, and there's that.
All those are females.
Okay.
And they can be with only one man.
Okay.
So the female don't have horns. The
Yeah.
male have horns.
Okay. So all of these are females. That's what David says, and they don't have horns. There's that marabou stork in the tree as well.
Male is there right in the front.
Oh yeah, with the horns. Oh yeah. There's a male there with the horns. There are two males there. One is trying to show off the other one because that is his territory and he doesn't want that one to come to his territory. So we have spotted zebras first time in the Serengeti. They're quite close. Babies and mothers. Keep going away.
That's a wonderful.
Yeah. So there the whole herd crossed over and they're there now on the other side. They're calling out. Lion. Lioness. Yeah. We're getting all sleeping ones. Yeah. So far. Look at that gorgeous sunset there. It's like half in the clouds and half is just going down in the hills. It looks exactly like the Lion King. Serengeti sunset.
Jambo bana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa Serengeti hakuna matata, nyote mwakaribishwa, hakuna matata. Karibu Serengeti, hakuna matata. Karibu Praiti, hakuna matata. Karibu na kwa Sumbi, hakuna matata. Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa, Serengeti hakuna matata.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hi.
Jambo.
Jambo.
How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Very fine. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next to you. For the safari. Wonderful.
Really nice. Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
So, you're welcome.
We've reached Serengeti, we've reached our camp. We had a good drive today, full day. Not full day, we were actually driving from Karatu to Serengeti, but we had a nice half day. And then now we're at the campsite where we'll be staying for 3 nights.
Atakuja kubende huko mwana kijana. Akasema inatosha. Ukasema sio kesi mzee. Anaanza kuchukua kwa nyingine. Sio kesi. Yaani kwa kitu mtu kuambia rudisha safari nyingine. You're welcome.
Thank you. So this is our lodge camp for Serengeti. 3 nights we're going to stay here. Let me just give you a quick room tour. So as we enter, this is how it looks like, the whole tent. Let me remove my shoes. Okay, here's a bed. Here's a small chair. Then there's some power switches and light. Here's the luggage space and place to keep your clothes, hang them. And then there's the washroom. This is the bathing area. Here is the basins and stuff, and here is the toilet. So yeah, this is great. It's perfect. We're staying like right inside the national park, so this is the best that we could get, and we are really happy with it.
We are sitting outside our room here, and so there are the guards who have lit up our fire there and are also pointing a flashlight to keep a check of animals. You can see the flashlight from time to time. I don't know whether you can, but yeah, in our clearly naked eyes we can see that. And we can also spot a lot of animals walking when the flashlight is flashing on them, as well as their eyes are glowing right now, right as where I'm pointing. I don't know whether it will come, but there is an eye glowing right in front of our eyes. They are dropping water, they are flashing lights just to drive the animals away. And right in front of our eyes, there are two eyes glowing right there, right there. So there are a couple of animals, more than that actually. We definitely saw two deers right in front of our eyes walking by. God knows whose eyes are glowing there. So let's see what it is. We'll be heading to dinner soon, so we are not allowed to walk without an escort, and so we have been given walkie-talkies, so we'll have to call the people from the camp who will escort us. But nevertheless, sitting out here in front of the camp, there's a mystery that is surrounding this entire area of what animals are there.
We have come for dinner and we've been escorted because it's not safe to walk on our own in the pathway here. So we were escorted by them, and yeah, I think it's a set dinner.
Moi, je pense que c'est meilleur le blanc.
Moi, j'ai préféré, si tu veux, le blanc quand même.
Ou alors, il faut mettre le prix au prix du sud et rouge. Il faut mettre le prix.
C'est le premier soir.
Thank you.
Ça, c'est des vins de base, quoi.
Served pumpkin soup first, so you saw the way that I took with that, and then there's bread as well. So let me taste. It's nice, it's thick, not watery, very nice. This is our plate of dinner that's been served. So there's rice with peas rice, then there's chicken here, there are some potato, and then there's mixed veggies, and this looks like beef. Yeah. Okay, I'll just try.
Non, pas trop. C'était 6h30 hier, ce matin.
Try the rice. Some chicken sauce. It's very flavorful. Oh wow, this is the best chicken. It's like a burst of flavors. So good.
J'ai mis ma batterie rechargée, je vais pouvoir rentrer, ça va être...
And there's potato.
Pour le téléphone à recharger.
It's slightly fried. And then there is beef. Let me just cut it next to it. Okay. Here it is. Very nice food. It's got a burst of flavors. We have dessert as well. Looks like cake. And there's some cream here. That's custard. And this looks like a vanilla sponge cake. Yeah, simple and delicious. So I guess this is the last course. But they had a full 3 course in a set dinner, which was quite amazing. So David was saying that when they have a lot of people, They usually have a buffet dinner, but since it's just us and one more family, so they've done a set dinner for us. So I guess we were lucky to get a set dinner here. So yeah, I'll see you in the room then. So we're back from dinner, and they have actually provided an evening turn down service. So they've put up this mosquito net, they've closed all the zips here which were open. So yeah, for a camp which is not very luxurious, they are quite prompt in all this, and they are very particular with the guests and stuff. So again, we were escorted back because at night we are not allowed to walk alone. It's 6 a.m. and we're here for breakfast. So it's a buffet. So let me just show you what all they have. So they have these pancakes, then there's sausages, there's chicken wings, and then there's mushroom on Shabbi's plate as well, and bread also. And Shabir has ordered a mixed veggie omelette, and there's watermelon juice as well. Let me start. Oh, it's not exactly, it's mixed. So it's got some other fruit as well, but it's freshly squeezed. Okay, so starting with sausages. It's nice. It's not very like plain. They've added some flavor to it.
They've cooked the sausages.
Yeah, they've cooked it. It's not boiled. Chicken wings. It's basically cooked in the same style, both of them. But the thing is, they've at least utilized whatever chicken was left and cooked this. So that is really nice. And then there's the pancake, of course. Oh, it's a tad bit sweet.
I think they brought in some fruits right now.
Okay, they've got some fruits there which will get it. So yeah, we'll finish breakfast and then head to our full day safari at Serengeti. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. I also have an active Instagram. You can go and follow. I'll see you again in the next vlog.